What happened in River State yesterday and yesterday is a sign of liberation of the state from the shackles of those iron fists that were tied to an emperor of River State, the former emperor of River State. To me and other River State people, we totally condemn in totality what happened in River State. The burning down of the House of Assembly, which was used with taxpayers' money to build. The attack on the governor by the police, and the attempted impeachment of the governor of River State. I call it mutiny or poverty or a coup against the people of River State and the government. So God has his own way of doing his things. And so the law of karma, the principle of retributive justice, will take its course. And so, to us in River State, we are liberated. All we need to do is to come out en masse and support our governor. He's a young man, very humble, who was more or less a yes sir governor in the past. And God said that is not the way it should be. And so, God has manifested his will for River State. And so we are all happy. I still challenge those co-travelers and their co-master to tell Rivers people and Nigerians the crime of sin. The Constitution is very clear on what ground you remove a governor. So what has he committed? We don't hear any crime. They would have said he has done this, he embezzled this, he did this or he did that. What was his crime? His crime is we must liberate River State. His crime was, I cannot run the government of River State with the idea of taking all the money. That if I allow you to selfishly take all the money, I will not have money to run the state. That was his crime. Here is a governor, it is unprecedented, where his predecessor will appoint 15 commissioners out of 16. The governor was at his mercy of appointing a commissioner, and that commissioner was just for information. All the key ministry involving money are given to the federal government. Here is a government where all the special advisors were appointed by the governor. To the extent the chief of staff was appointed by the former governor. The security, CSO, everybody around him were appointed by the former governor. What kind of governor are you going to be when everything around, you are caged? The governor could not approve more than 5 billion. Anything above 5 billion, he must run to his master to say, I got this is the thing I want to do. Here is a governor, before he became governor, he awarded a contract to cover all the money we collect. And the man was not complaining. A situation where FAC, the internal generated revenue, FAC, you are taking FAC, the internal generated revenue, IGR, you are taking all that. The IGR that is coming, you decide how to use it. And the boy is not complaining. Some of the people you appointed for him are challenging him as governor and threatening him to be impeached if he dare challenge, go against them. So it was like a puppet. Well, as a security man, peace is greater than anything. When there is peace, there will be no armament. When there is peace, life will not be lost. What happened in River State 2 days ago or yesterday, if it was Wike, people would die. But SIM managed it. Nobody died. So SIM should be open to peace on one condition. He must take over government. He must be in charge of government. In governance, 95.5 is not loyalty. It must be 100% loyal. So those who are not loyal should be put in their place. H.R.H is not the best of friend of Wike. Neither is he a best of friend of SIM. But when a situation like this comes up, as a leader, you must look beyond the immediate. My brother Asare, I beg you, I'm your brother. You still respect me as your guy. Please, look beyond individual. Talk of River State that you are fighting for.